Hi there. Today, we show you how to personalize your Redwood account. First, log on to Redwood by visiting redwood-rp.com and clicking the profile icon. This should open your dashboard. We're going to focus on the left side of the site for this tutorial. From top to bottom, you can see your profile picture, which is set to this Redwood picture by default, your buttons to open the settings or to log out, a welcome message followed by your display name, your roles, your bio, and a date you've joined the site. First, let's open the settings by clicking this icon. Here, you can see your profile picture, buttons to upload a new profile picture and to delete your current one. Deleting your profile picture will set it back to the default picture. When uploading a picture, make sure it's under 500 kilobytes and a valid image format such as JPEG or PNG. If your image does not meet those criteria, you'll get an error message. If your picture was successfully uploaded, it will automatically be cropped to a 1:1 aspect ratio at the center of the image. Now that we've got the profile pictures figured out, let's move on to your bio. Here, you can enter a text up to 150 characters in length. If it's longer, your text will be cut off. The bio will automatically set as soon as you click anywhere but the text field. If you want to clear your bio, simply click inside the text field and then click outside it again. Below that text field, you have a Change Password button. If you need help changing your password, watch our tutorial on it. Next, there's the Deactivate Auto Login toggle. By default, this is not checked and you will never be prompted to log in as long as you access the site from the same device each time. If you toggle this option, you will be prompted to log in again after 12 hours. Last but not least, there is a Delete Account button. For added security, you will need to contact an administrator in order to delete your account. Now that we've covered the settings menu, we can go back to the main view. In order to change your display name, simply click on it. There, you can enter a new name. As the name says, this is only a display name. Your actual username will not change. You need to enter your username to log in, not your display name. At this time, you can't change your username. You can't customize your roles either. If you enroll in a staff program, a licensed instructor for example, your roles will be updated accordingly. You cannot change your member since date either. And that's it for account personalization. We hope this tutorial helped. If you have additional questions, don't hesitate to contact staff, and have a nice day.